Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter and then you can update your app in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.